The Tennessee Department of Health says 1 in 4 new COVID cases are in school-age children, and we're a month into the school year with rising numbers of students and staff in quarantine. Our reporter Liam Collins is live from the Hamilton County Board of Education with more. Liam?
And David, Tennessee hospitals are seeing record high pediatric COVID hospitalizations. Numbers now are about 50% higher compared to what they were during that deadly COVID surge of the winter. And although children are a lot less likely to die from the virus, they're a lot more likely to spread it to someone who will.
And she was asking me, when can I get vaccinated? When can I get the vaccine?
That was Amanda Rosser's daughter for months before the vaccine was approved for kids 12 and older. She has since been fully vaccinated, but she can't shake the fear with COVID spread in schools out of control.
She's scared. After 4 exposures in less than a week, she's scared to be there. What do? You either have to, you're either all in or all out.
More than 1 in 4 new cases in Hamilton County and in the state of Tennessee are in school-age children. Hamilton County schools are dealing with nearly 300 COVID cases district-wide, and almost 1,000 people are identified as close contacts.
Earlier variants were kind of infantry guys with rifles. Delta's a tank.
Pediatric Dr. Alan Kaufman blames it on the highly contagious Delta variant.
So the things that we were doing that we knew that worked with Alpha, we were getting some suggestions that Delta was a little different, and we did a lot less. And we've seen the result.
The COVID fatality rate among children is much lower than adults, but when their symptoms become severe, they go to Andrea Goins.
They can be, have significant respiratory symptoms. So they have the same trouble breathing and end up on ventilators.
Don't lose any sleep that if your kid gets COVID, that there's going to be a bad outcome. That's very low risk.
Even that risk, though, is almost too much to bear for Amanda Rosser.
The last thing you want to do when you've got kids is hear that they're scared. I guess not even, you don't want them to be scared.
Now, Hamilton County schools closed for 2 days last week. They say to control the spread of COVID-19 in their school system. But with the current state of COVID, a spokesperson for the district says that with no universal mask mandate or online learning options allowed in the state of Tennessee, they say that this is simply putting the district in a tough spot with this pandemic. Live in Hamilton County, Liam Collins, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.